Infinity.
There's a Carrier in Infinity.
I think this one's a green speed.
I think it's a blue speed.
The blueness.
Seventh week of 2015. 16 SEER 4-ton. It's a heat pump.
Well, I'd like to get a shot at the reversing valve, but with the plankton blades, I can't really do that. Or maybe I can. Ah, there it is.
Reversing valve?
Gentech fan motor, single phase. Here's two American Standard Silver Series.
Couple of American Standard heat pumps. Silver Series.
From 2022.
Has an Alliance.
This one's a 2.5 ton.
American Standard Silvers.
I don't know if... yeah, I think this one's a 14 SEER.
Got 2023, 2022.
So this one is brand new and is a 1.5 ton, also a 14 SEER. And there's the energy guide on that one. Here's a Carrier Comfort in a Westinghouse.
Couple units here. New Comfort. Kipling on
I don't think this is too new. Oh, this is 2019 in the condition of a 2014 unit.
Ooh, a lizard.
Yeah, that's Kipling.
There's little Jimmy.
That's Kipling.
Oh.
Don't touch Kipling.
Trying to...
What?
It is a 2013
Oh, 13.
2.5 ton. Oh my God, leave Kipling alone.
Let's try. I can't get it.
That's
It's
19.
a Westinghouse. It has micro-channel coils. They are vertical.
2016.
Vertical micro-channel coils. Westinghouse.
1.5 ton.
2016.
Big 1.5 ton. Big logo.
Big logo.
It's taking up like a fifth of this side of the condenser guard
Yeah,
here.
let's restrict some airflow with our giant logo.
And there's your reversing valve right there. Microchannel coils. Not too fond of that. There's a Trane XR unit right up there. Yeah, right here.
I like this.
So that's a 2018 2.5 ton. 14's a closer look at it. There's a stamped optic on Rheem right here. 12 SEER. So this is one of the higher end models back in the day.
1998.
And that is a 2.5 ton.
2016.
January 1998.
Look at this.
Look at 12. These are Rheem.
I was surprised to see this unit here because I did not think these buildings were that old.
These were built with Rheem back in the day. Not very many
So this one's a 2016 2-ton 14 SEER.
Oh, 3 blades. Sick.
3 fan blades.
Don't think too many 3 blades. We should move them in.
Wonder if this has... oh no, this has a scroll.
Has an Alliance scroll. It's a red one.
Shit. You get a photo of that room.
Alright.
Alright.
And there's your compressor for that one. Got more. Another stamped... oh, 2 more. That's a big one too.
Comfort Series units and a couple Rheems. These are true to the more 12 series. You have a commercial.
So 14 SEER from 2015, 1.5 ton.
Oh, nice.
And this one is also a 2015. And this one's a 2.5 ton. 25 HC.
Ooh, this is 97.
Carrier Comfort Series.
2015. Here's the compressor.
Open scroll compressor.
3 ton, 97.
2015.
Oh, this one's got the standard fan blades. Daddy long leg right there. Where's the data sheet on this one?
It's on the front.
The front.
Look, it's
Oh, it's right here.
yeah, the commercial Rheems have it placed really weirdly.
Yeah, I see that. This is a 3.5 ton from 98. 12 seer.
It's a 1997. All collection of heat pumps.
I'm starting with this.
Most of which being carriers of various models. And we have a Classic X Rheem
1996.
heat pump.
14 series, 2.5 ton.
This one is a CKC with a newer
It's a
blade,
YCC.
or YCC.
Yep,
Excuse me.
2004.
This one has a
2004.
this one has a Bristol compressor.
2.5 ton. These are 10 series.
(2004), and that one's a 2019.
And then here's a Rheem Classic X.
It's from 96.
Cool.
And we have a Performance right here.
96.
This one's a 13 seer,
4 ton.
2009, and this one's a 2010. This might be the top for.
Oh yeah, that's probably was on this one.
Yeah.
2009.
2016. This one has an LG scroll compressor.
Comfort. Letting fan hold it.
2013. 15 seer. 2 ton.
2016, 14 seer, 3
That one's a 14 seer from 2017. 3.5 ton.
LG scroll compressor.
This one also has an LG.
It's actually probably a Comfort series. 2013. And 15 series.
Here we have two interestingly paired Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim ductless heat pumps, and we have another Comfort. This got poked. This is from 2018, 3 ton, 14 seer. And I believe this one also has an LG scroll compressor.
These are older. These are 90s for sure. Original.
90s? Let's see here.
These mini splits are definitely original to the building. I've never seen Mitsubishis this old.
This 1.5 ton, I can't tell the year because the serial's faded on this one. I'm going to take a look at this one, see if I can get a year. Oh yeah, this one's much more clear.
Interesting old name.
See, they actually engraved the numbers into the serial number on these data sheets. So that's definitely a son that's older. I just can't tell what year it is.
Here, let me get a look.
Let me grab that.
I'm going to take a picture of that data sheet there. And I'm trapped.
Oh, yeah, there's a 1998 Rheem Classic over there. I went ahead and filmed that.
Oh, yeah. This place is full of these.
Yeah, it's Goomba Heaven.
Another Rheem. 10 heat pump.
It's very dirty.
You don't say. So I almost missed these. We have a Grandair and another Stamped Octagon hidden in the bushes here.
Open scroll.
Yeah, that's a Copeland.
2017. 14 seer, 2.5 ton.
That date is red.
I'm sure you can still read it. Or maybe not. Or, yeah, no.
Classic X.
10 seer. And there's your logo right there. Now here's a Run True and a Trane XR.
2023.
Some pollen on this one. And this one has a recip.
What year?
2016. So this was like one of the very last models that had recips. So this is a 2.5 ton XR14.
Maybe. 2023, made in March.
2 ton.
14 seer 2 ton heat pump.
Yeah, these are all heat pumps.
And then over here, Trane XR.
And there's another one over there. Here's this newer Goodman heat pump.
No, it's older than, it's 2022 or older because the grill.
But it still has the wrapper on the logo, so it might be brand new. Oh yeah, it's 2022. GSZ14.
What year?
2.5 ton.
What year is it? 2022. Spider web. Alright, let's move
And then there's another Bryant Legacy over there. Way over there in the distance is another stamped Octagon Rheem. And then we have another Carrier Comfort right here.
The 2012.
Just gotta go up and scroll on it.
13 seer 2.5 ton. The reason why nothing is running is it's a nice fall day here in
Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Probably about 70 degrees right now, maybe high 60s.
Okay. High 60s, low 70s. There's a Goodman.
Goodman.
It's like an older Goodman, like a late 2000s.
I think this one is a GSH13 model.
It actually has a scroll. It's a GSZ13 018, meaning it's a 1.5 ton.
2011, 2.5 ton. Yeah, GSZ13.
2018, 14 seer 2.5 ton.
It's got that fungus all over it.
Alright.
And there's another Bryant Legacy way over there. And that will conclude this video, because we have places to be, and we gotta be somewhere by 3, and it's now like 1:30 something, so we gotta get going. But yeah, thanks for watching.